In this video, I will be explaining how to solve a linear equation by the elimination method using addition. To start, we will look first at the problem, which is 2x plus 2y is equals to negative 2, and the second linear equation is 3x minus 2y is equals to positive 12. So I will put, since we are using addition to eliminate this, we will put a plus sign here. And if you can see clearly that if you add 2x plus 3x, there will be 5x. While if we add positive 2y and negative 2y, we will get 0. Therefore, we will cancel this out. And then, if we add negative 2 plus positive 12, we will get 10. So we have the remaining is 5x is equals to 10. We will divide both sides by 5. And after dividing, we will have x is equals to 2. Therefore, the x in this equation is equal to 2. So we already solved the x. To solve for y, you can choose either of this equation to substitute the x. So in this case, I will be using the first linear equation, which is 2x plus 2y is equals to negative 2. So 2x plus 2y is equals to negative 2. We will input the x to this variable. So 2 times 2 plus 2y is equals to negative 2. If we times this 2 times 2, we will get 4 plus 2y is equals to negative 2. We will isolate this, and therefore we will transpose the positive 4 to the right side. Therefore, we will have 2y is equals to negative 2, negative 4. And then, after that, we will, as we can see, if we add this to negative 2 minus negative 4, we will get negative 6. And then we will divide both sides by 2. So cancel. We will have y is equals to negative 3. So therefore, the x and y in this linear equation, in this problem, is positive 2 and negative 3. That is the answer for this equation.
So we'll be doing elimination using multiplication and to solve for x and y. For this one, So to do this, we'll first need to look for terms that can be eliminated. For this one, it will be this 7x in our second equation. To do this, we'll be needing to multiply our second equation to negative 2. So it will look something like this. Negative 2 times 7x plus 8y. And we will also be needing to multiply the other side to negative 2. So we will write negative 2 times 6. There. And then we will write it and add the equation. So we'll first write our first equation. 14x plus 4y is equals to 18. And then this one, we'll now write this one. Negative 2 times 7x is equals to negative 14x. And then negative 2 times 8y is negative 16y. Is equals to negative 2 times 6, which is negative 12. Okay, and now we will add the 2. We'll first add this one and this one. So this will be equal to 6, and then the y's, which will be negative 12y, and then this one will be cancelled out because it's the same coefficient but different signs. So this will become, since there is still a number here, we'll be needing to remove that. To do that, we'll need to multiply this by negative 12 and this by negative 12. This one, so it will be y is equals to 6 for negative 12, or in its lowest form, negative 1/2 or negative 0.5. So we'll write it here, 1/2, negative 1/2 or negative 0.5. We will be solving for x. For this one, we will be using our first equation. The only thing that we will be needing to do here is to substitute. So 14x plus 4 times negative 1/2, because we substituted y for this one. So equals to 18. So now we'll be needing to solve it. So this will be 14x minus 2, because this will turn to negative 2, is equals to 18. So the first thing we need to do is to transpose negative 2 to the other side, which then will turn to plus, which will turn to positive. So plus 2. So 14x is equals to 20. Since we have 14 here on the other side, we need to multiply it by 14. Both sides by 14, so we can get the x. So x is equals to 20 over 14, or in its lowest form is 10 over 7 or 1.43. There. So let's write it here. 10 over 7 or 1.43. So let's erase this first. Okay, so now that we have both our x and y's, the one last step is to check if it's correct. And to check it, we'll be using both our equations and we'll both substitute x and y's. So first, we'll be using our equation 1, 14 14x plus 4y is equals to 18. So now we'll substitute it. 14 times 10 over 7 plus 4 times negative 1/2 is equals to 18. Okay. And then this will turn 14 times 10 over 7 is equals to 20. And 4 times negative 1/2 is negative 2 is equals to 18. So 20 minus 2 is 18 is equals to 18. Same value. Now let's go to our second equation, which is 7x plus 8y is equals to 6. So 7 times 10 over 7 plus 8 times negative 1/2 is equals to 6. So 7 times 10 over 7 is 10, and 8 times negative 1/2 is equals to negative 4 equals to 6. So now let's solve it. 10 minus 4 is 6 equals to 6, which are the same value. X and Y is correct.
Hello, so this is the second example of multiplication in elimination. So this is 8x plus 2y equals 16 and 3x plus 2y equals 6. So the first step is magma-minus tayo. So yung taas, ima-minus natin yung baba. So ang magiging sagot is 8 minus 3 equals 5x. Then 2y minus 2y is equals to 0. Then 16 minus 6 is equals to 10. So ang magiging sagot dyan is 5x minus 10. 5x plus 0 equals 10, I'm sorry. Then next step, kailangan x lang ang matitira dito. So we have to divide both sides. So isi-simplify natin siya, ika-cancel natin ito. Then isi-simplify natin to. So ang matitira is yung x over 2. Then, the next is isa-substitute natin siya. So, ito siya. 8, open and close parenthesis 2, plus 2y equals 16. So, kailangan, ang gagawin natin dito is, mapunta siya sa kabilang side. So, yan, 16 plus 2y equals 16. So, napunta na siya sa ibang side. Then next, ililipat natin yung 16 sa kabilang side or ita-transpose natin. So, 2y, kakancel natin siya as you can see. Then 16 minus 6, diba? And then we have here the equal 0 over 2. So, ang magiging sagot niya is y equals 0. Then, you put 3 dots here, then the answer is 2 and 0. So, that is the second example.
Okay, so bale yung word problem na aking nagawa ay a delivery truck is transporting boxes of two sizes. The combined weight of a large box and small box is 75 pounds. The truck is transporting 70 large boxes and 55 small boxes. So if the truck is carrying a total of 4,800 pounds in boxes, how much does each of box weigh? So yun po yung hanapin natin. So okay, yun na nga. So una ilalagay natin is yung 70, which is yung 70 large boxes. And then x plus y plus 75, which is ito. combined weight ng large and small box. So, bale, 78 punta yun dun, plus 55y equals 1,100. Minus 78 plus 71 So, dito, 70x plus 70y equals 5 to 50 plus negative 70x is 5y negative 4,800. Ayan. Over 15. This one, 50 over 15. Dahil nga para sila, tapos solve na lang yan. It is y plus 30. So, x plus 30 plus 75 minus 30 is 30. So, dito diba hinahanap natin yung weight of large box saka weight of small box. So, dito yung large box ay 45 and then yung small box is 30.
Apart charges $10 for adults and $5 for kids. How many adult tickets and kid tickets were sold? If a total of 548 tickets were sold for a total of $3,750. Solution. Step 1. Let X be the number of adult tickets and Y be the number of kids tickets. According to the question, we have x plus y is equals to 548 and also 10x plus 5y is equals to 3,750. Divide both sides by 5. 10 divided by 5 is equals to 2. 5 divided by 5 is equals to 1. So we have 2x plus y is equals to 750. Step 2. Eliminate one of the variables to get the value of the other variable. In number 1 and 2, variable y is having the same coefficient, but the variable y is having the same sign in both the equations. To change the sign of y in number 1, multiply both sides of 1 by negative sign. Negative x plus y is equals to negative 548. Negative x minus y is equals to negative 548, and that's number 3. Step 3. Now, eliminate the variable y in number 2 and 3 as given below and find the value of x. So we have here 2x plus y is equals to 750. Negative x minus y is equals to negative 548. So we're going to cancel both y's. So now we have the x is equals to 202. So let's move on to step 4. Substitute 202 for x in number 1 to get the value of y. So here we have number 2, 202 plus y is equals to 548. We're going to subtract 202 from both sides. So we're going to get y is equals to 346 because 548 minus 202 is 346. So the number of adult tickets sold is 202 and the number of kids tickets sold is 346.